Welcome to College Jaankaar. Hey, my name is Utkarsh Jain. Let's explore about IIT Delhi. Situated in Hauz Khas, New Delhi, IIT Delhi was established in 1961 by Government of India. It is one of the 7 old IITs of India. This government engineering college has a lush green campus with area about 325 plus acres, providing all the necessary facilities to all of its students. Talking about the courses offered by this institute: Biotech and Biochemical, Chemical, Civil, Computer Science, Electrical, Power and Automation, Energy Engineering, Engineering and Computational Mechanics, Engineering Physics, Material Science, Mathematics and Computing, Mechanical, Production and Industrial, Textile. So many branches. These are the courses offered by this college. National Institute Ranking Framework NIRF 2022 of this college is 2. It is outstanding rank. Before moving to placement, I would like to request to all, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also share with your friends. Average CTC stands to be 16 LPA for this college, with all the companies, bank companies recruiting students from this college. 1 lakh per semester is the tuition fees, 27,000 is the mess fee and hostel fee per semester for the general category student, and no doubt for the backward classes, for the financially weak candidate, there will be fee emission according to his caste and income. The CSE cutoff 2022 for IIT Delhi is 102 AIR, and for admission to the college is 5796. That means the lowest rank to which a seat is offered in this college in 2022 is 5796. Hashtag my opinion. This is the best engineering college in India, situated in capital of India. So you can go for it even for the lower branches. Now it's time for College Jaankaar priority list. In College Jaankaar priority list, this college should be at number 2 position. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Let's enjoy the campus tour.